Good morning, students, and welcome to Office Organization. I'm Tracy Finelli, and I'm going to be your hostess for the next 8 weeks. So hang in there with me. I wanted to just give you a little tour of how things work so that you can kind of follow at that pace. First of all, for those of you who found confusion today and this morning in the dates, I fixed everything, so it should be okay now. You'll be able to see the right dates. Oops, sorry about that. This is a Start Here button, and what it does is it kind of takes you through the Canvas setup and how to use Canvas and all of that, so I won't spend a lot of time here. Meet your instructor. This is all about me. Here's my email in case you need anything. Here's the course syllabus for the class, and let's get right to it. Here is week 1, module 1. It will take you 1 week to do the assignments, to do the discussion boards, and so forth. After that week, everything will close and you won't have the opportunity to make up any work. So let's take a look and see what's on the agenda this week. So if I click on Module 1 right here from the home page, you'll see the first section is called Overview. And that's basically giving you an idea of what's coming up this week. And so be sure and read everything because this is in place of a $80 book. So I tried to pull out important features that I think that you would need to know being an office organized person. So here we go. So this first one is the overview page. When you click next down here at the bottom, it'll take you to the next page, which are the learning objectives. So basically they are learning objectives for each module, and here they are for your enjoyment. Click on the next button again, and it's going to take you to the next page, which is the study resources and knowledge building. Here's where the actual training takes place. You can see by the links that these are clickable links that you need to click on and learn about. Here we have LinkedIn. If you're not a member of LinkedIn, this is actually a great place to connect with people in your field and job opportunities and so forth. Right here, the Myers-Briggs personality quiz. It's really fun. It kind of gives you an opportunity to answer a bunch of questions and see how you relate to these questions and what your interest might be that you didn't know you had. And then right here is 12 tips for entering the workforce. Very important. And it's presented by Forbes, so very important information. So be sure and always do all the study resource links and videos. When you click next, it's going to take you to your first place where it tells you what assignments are due. Nope, it's going to take you to the discussion board. Sorry about that. Here, the discussion board each week has a little question for you to answer, and you need to reply to 2 people. Now, it says to post by Wednesday evening. That's your original post. If you wait until the end of the week, people are not going to see your post. People are not going to respond to your post. And it gets really sad because you have a lot to say and people would like to speak with you. Also, you need to respond to at least 2 classmates by Friday evening. Now, if that goes to Saturday, we understand. But then if you respond to those people Friday evening, they'll have a chance to either respond back to you or be able to look at your responses. Okay? Very important. It's worth points each week, so don't avoid these discussion boards. Okay, good. Someone's already, look at these 2 people already. People have responded to the discussion board. That is awesome. Next, we have the first assignment. And right here, it'll tell you to view the Bureau of Labor Statistics. You'll just click on that. And then here's a document you need to download. And always, always, always spell check your work and then read it over before uploading. You want to stay as professional as possible. And that is that if I see errors, it'll be 1 point off for every misspelled word. Because you know what? This is business. And you want to always put your best foot forward. So that's the first assignment this week. Next, we go on to the next assignment. The next assignment is the project memo. And so I give you some hints here about how to proofread that memo, and you'll download the file, and then once you do that, you'll upload, of course, in the last one too, you'll upload your assignments to the proper site, and here's the rubric to make sure you're doing everything you need to do. Next, this first week is the wrap up, and it kind of tells you, hey, this is what you learned this week. So hopefully that worked. And then it kind of gives you a little bit of a hint of what's coming up the following week. Now, module 2, at the end, before the wrap up, you will have a quiz. And after that, each week you'll have a little quiz. It's not terrible. It's not to panic about. It's just a little heads up to find out, make sure you learned everything that you needed to know for that particular module. Once again, the modules open on Monday morning and close on Saturday night. No, they close Sunday night at 11:59. Okay? So hopefully that will help you out. When you click on the next button, if you don't see anything else, you'll realize that you did everything that you needed to do for module 1, and then this will be the coming week. So it'll say not open yet. So there you go, my friends. Hopefully that helped you start out a little bit, and I welcome you to my class, and I hope you enjoy all the information that's provided here. If you have any questions at all, please email me at tfinelli@coastline.edu. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you online.